No, it doesn't go into it, so I'm just gonna leave that like that. I have to add another zip tie, which is fine. I don't want to mess with, you know, cutting more of this belt, because I had to get it from China, so I don't want to worry about my belts really being too short. If it's long, it's fine, you can always cut it down to size, but if it's short, then you're screwed. Just gotta make sure everything is matching up right. I don't like how that's set up. I just wasted 2 zip ties, but you know what? I want to make sure my stuff is good. I'd rather waste zip ties than to mess my prints up. I'm trying to get this off of here. There it goes. See, I feel like it's too loose right there. I don't like that. Okay, so let's get another one started here real fast. Just pull really tight. Pliers going to pull on. Yeah. Seems kind of loose. See that? Damn it. Another used. Stupid zip ties. They have belt tensioners, which is nice. I'll be downloading and building one of those with this printer, but even with that, it's hot in here. I might need to get some help, so I want to make sure this stuff is super tight. Give me a second. Alright, got some help, and pull this thing super tight. I don't want no kind of friction at all, and then I'm going to tighten it down. Hold on. Just need to grab this and do this real fast. So I'll help to grab the zip tie. Pull that tighter too. Okay, that should be good. Let's test the strength. Yes, see that? Very, very tight. Very great. Appreciate the help, bro. Alright, now we ain't gotta worry about that. It's nice and tight. It's rubberized like a rubber band. It's not going anywhere. Super tense. Oh, it has some super tension on it. Okay. Just get this through. One thing I don't like about zip ties, I never want to work with it. It'll be straight. Alright. Trying to make sure that this lines up with the this right here. Okay. Alright everyone, I know I didn't show the box, the inside of the box, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to take this cover off. Okay, that's the box. Look at the inside. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see a little better. And then bring it down just a little bit. So I have all my boards right here, all the ports on the side. These are all basically, you know, the ports for the motors. Those are all the motor accesses on that side. I zip tied the cable up to make it look a little nicer. And as you can see down here, I have my MOSFETs. Those are screwed in tight. Those ain't going anywhere. And then same thing on this side. You can see the screws and the leads right here. These are little connector leads, that red little connector lead down over there in the corner. And so everything's looking real nice, cable managed up. I made this little triangle formation with the wiring right here, so that way my lid, you see how the lid has this knob coming out of it? This is actually supposed to be like a push button. It pushes in and it will reset, hit this reset button on the main board right there, if you can see that. I'm going to zoom into that little reset button. It's right here on the board. That little gold button. And what it does when you put this lid on, it actually connects to that button, and all you have to do is press this part of the lid, and it'll push down and push the button in. So let me just double check. You'll probably could hear the click once I'm done putting this back on here. I want to make sure I put it on right. It didn't take too much effort to put this on here. It's just a pain because I got the camera kind of in the way too, so that ain't no help. Okay. There we go. There we go. Double check on this side. Alright. There we go. There goes that part. And there we go. And it's super close. I have to pull the button back just a little bit to kind of line it up. It's a little off. Okay, let me see if I can line it up correctly. Like something on this side is kind of keeping it from getting over there. Let me see if I get a screwdriver, maybe that'll help. You know, push everything up against itself. I mean, the button is super close, it's just over by a hair, but that hair can mean everything. Bend it a little bit. Hear it? Yep, you could definitely push the button now. It's in there for the most part. There we go. Perfect. That's the spot. So yeah, you just press and it'll reset your system every single time. But overall, the box looks really great. I like how it turned out. So hope you guys do like the video of all that. I did do the sheathing. I had them come through the top of this box because it was just, I didn't want to run, I don't have the cable chain completely hooked up yet, so I had to run everything through here. Once I get done putting the cable chain all together, hopefully everything will be fine, then I could just, you know, run it the way it was supposed to be ran. But the box is great, I like it, so hope you guys like that video. Please like, subscribe, let me know what you think, and you guys have a great day.